Hello everybody and welcome to this Flutter tutorial video. In this video tutorial we will learn about Tabbar. By the end of this video we will create this tab as you can see on the screen. So before we start, if you are new in this channel, you can subscribe our channel for not losing other videos. So let's go in the code. As we know, we have a main function and stateless widget which has build method. Inside build method it return a material app. In its home it has scaffold. Inside scaffold we can create app bar. Inside app bar we can give a title, text called Tabbar, or we can say Flutter Tabbar. And after the title, another thing which app bar has is bottom. Create widget inside it tags tab bar. Inside the tab bar it tags tab array. As much tabs we want we can define inside this array or this list. So the first tab I'm gonna say tab, and the text which my first tab has text, I'm going to give it first tab, and also we can give second tab, its text is second, and the third tab also I can use an icon on the tab. So how we can use icon? By putting tab, then icons dot alarm, and now we have to put a comma here. And the fourth tab we are gonna use icon, and what the icon should be, icons dot email, and also we put a comma here and a comma here. So before we are going to do any other thing, we have to wrap our scaffold inside default controller. I'm gonna wrap this inside default tab controller. What it takes, the necessary thing, it takes the length, and also it should has a child. The length is gonna be the length of our tab, which we have 4 tab. You can type length and the length of our tab. Inside our scaffold, inside the body, tab bar. Inside the body we can use tab bar view. Also it has children. Inside its children we can give our screen, which is belongs to every tab. So how many screen we should give? We have 4 tabs. We should define 4 screen here. So the first screen I'm going to name it first tab, and the second gonna be second tab, and the third will be third tab, and the fourth also can be email tab. And let's go and define it inside. Right click on the lib folder and then create dot file. First one is first screen dot, and inside import material app stateless widget called first tab, and it has a container which we can give color of umber, colors dot umber. So now the second one, second tab or second screen dot, we can copy this all for saving time, and let's change it to second tab, and let's change the color to green. And also we can define another one. The other screen will be alarm screen dot. We name that third. That's why we are gonna name it third tab, and also here third tab, and the color will be pink. And let's go create the last screen, email screen dot, and also we can name it email tab, and also this one email tab, and the color will be orange. So let's save them and let's go to the main again. So first tab and second tab, and also the third tab. The last one is email tab, and the error has gone. Let's save it, and now we can see the first and the second was green, and the third, which is alarm, or pink, and the last one, which is email, was the orange color. Now as we want, we can sweep. Now this is the tab that we implement on this project. So guys, thank you for watching. If you like it, you can thumbs up, and see you in the next one with another video.